Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm really sorry first of all that I skipped 2 Sunday videos. मुझे message आने लग गए, what's happening, why you're not posting Sunday videos, we miss your Sunday videos. I am so like, I feel like damn dude, like I know I really want to put out Sunday videos but थोड़ा सा कभी-कभी hectic हो जाता है. I promise you once my studio setup is done, everything will be streamlined. So in today's video, I have like a couple of skincare products that I thought I'll just sit down and try out in front of you guys. I have Mario Badescu, I have Earth Rhythm के new products which look really promising by the way. So I thought इधर ही बैठ के we'll just like do our skincare routine like how we do our most Sunday videos where I'm just like sitting and doing skincare and like talking random stuff with you guys. So it's gonna be a fun chit chat session where I'm gonna be doing my skincare routine, trying out new skincare products and also sharing some college stories, okay? I hope you guys enjoy this video. As usual, I have my coffee with me. I just had my lunch. There's nobody in the house and I'm filming this in the afternoon. It feels good. Like today I feel really good and I feel like really zen and positive while filming this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Without wasting any more time, alright, so the first thing that I have with me is the Braun Mini Hair Remover. Got this in PR. You must have seen like a lot of bloggers, influencers like use this product because I think it's very recent. It's just launched in the market and then they've just sent it out to all the influencers and content creators to try it out. This is the product, okay? You remove the cap, you twist it from the bottom here and it vibrates! I'm not saying anything. Basically, when you're doing it, you actually get this light which helps in getting a clear vision of where you're using this product on your face, okay? And all you have to do is just like in round circular motions, just like run it on your face. You won't even feel like the product is actually taking off hair from your skin, but it does the job so well. So what you do is just make it like stretch your skin a little and just run it on your face. So I'm doing it in the opposite direction of the hair growth, okay? It's so convenient, you guys. Like you don't like there's no pain, there's nothing. It's just like it's so easy. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I'm gonna basically run it all over my face and my chin and everything. So it's gonna get rid of all the peach fuzz on my face, okay? And just make sure that you keep your skin a little taut. The best thing I realized about this product, like about this remover, is that even if you use it in public, it'll look like you're doing some. Ow! Yeah, keep your hair away from it. Anyway, so it'll look like you're doing some face massage using some very advanced product or something, like advanced machine, but nobody can ever guess that you're actually taking off your facial hair, even if you want to do this in public. Even if you're like in the cab, you can just like run this over. If you're on the way to like meet someone and you're like, oh dude, I haven't shaved my face, let me just quickly shave my face in the cab. Kisi ka pata nahi chalega, I swear. Give you guys like a closer look. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I can tell that the hair is gone. Like how fresh your skin feels when you just like shave your face. That's how fresh my skin actually feels right now. I 100% recommend this product if you're looking for a facial razor, an electric one. This is so convenient, so handy, and look at the size and look at the shape. Everything is anything that a woman would ask for. No, actually no. No, I take that back. I take that back. Moving on, I haven't spoken about Mario Badescu, which has been launched on Nykaa very recently. I haven't tried out their products, so again, I'm going to be trying out their products for the first time in front of y'all. So I thought first impressions hi kar lete hain, whatever. Like, it's going to take me a while to give you a proper review because these are skincare products and I need like proper time to actually use them and then give you my review. But first impressions ke liye, using a face wash and everything, I think is fine. So I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Skincare Enzyme Cleansing Gel, okay? I love the packaging, I love how minimal it is. So let's try this product out. It's got a very mild fragrance by the way, and I like it. Like as I said, I don't have any problems with fragrance. A lot of people do, but मेरे को ऐसे कभी कोई problem हुई नहीं है with fragrance. So anyway, I do like this. There is no foam to this product at all. Like I'm even like rubbing it against my hands and there is no foam to it. there's no lather to it basically. I just hope this is not a makeup remover. 1 second. Dude! What is this? Cleanse twice daily with our best-selling face wash. Okay, it is a face wash. Okay, but it's an enzyme cleansing gel, and hence I'm guessing that it does not have any lather. It's the first time I'm actually ever using an enzyme cleansing gel, so I don't know how and like what am I supposed to expect out of this. So we're just gonna like go with the flow right now, okay? Although I'll be honest, like it's a little unsatisfying because I'm trying so hard to get a little bit of lather on my skin, but nahi ho raha hai kuch. Anyway, let me just wash my face and be back. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, my skin feels good. Like it feels like I've used a face wash because I was all like, ki pata nahi feel hi nahi hoga that I've used a face wash, but it does the job of cleansing your skin, okay? Do not underestimate this product because it does not lather, but it does the job of cleansing your skin. I think I can clearly see myself using this because it says it's enzyme cleansing gel and I'm pretty sure it's meant for some good stuff. I'm gonna do my research on this and I'm gonna use this for longer because I'm anyway looking for like a good face wash. I finished my Avent cleanser and I'm like on the hunt for like a new cleanser, but I'm just not able to like settle on one right now, but I think I'm gonna give this one a try. Clearly this has my attention now, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what I feel about it. Also, I've been thinking about doing some mini reviews on my Instagram just to like keep you guys updated with all the products that I've been using. तो मैं ऐसे सोच रही हूँ कि मैं हफ्ते में 5 products, you know, I'll just review on my Instagram after I've tried it. So be it makeup, skincare, whatever, outfits or anything. Anyway, you guys, so today I'm in the mood to do some masking, do some proper skincare routine. So I'm using the Glam Glow Gravity Mud. This is the firming treatment. Don't ask me why I'm using the firming treatment. I'm just using this because I just feel like it, okay? But anyway, so coming back to my college stories. I don't know where to begin, but let me just tell you, I have been a brat all my life. And I have a couple of stories that I'm pretty sure now when my mom sees this video, it's gonna be all hell's gonna break loose, trust me, because they're not aware of a lot of things, but I think they know that I've been a very pain in the ass kind of a kid always, so abhi jaake I've become a little, you know, mature. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about my my college days when I was in like 12th standard, 11th, 12th standard. You know, when you're fresh out of school and when you go to college, you're just it's a different vibe altogether, right? So I used to not go to college, okay? I mean, we used to all go to college, but we used to not attend classes. We used to just sit niche, bunk the lectures, and you know, we'd be sitting in canteen, chilling, and going for movies and stuff like that. So we used to not attend college, okay? I think the 11th standard का जो मेरा last result आया था, the final exams, उसमें जो मेरा attendance था was around 25% or 30%, and the principal asked us, like the entire group, our group, to get our parents to meet him. उसने बोला था कि I want it in writing from your parents. They have to come meet me. They have to sign on a paper that yeah, our kid will attend college from now on, and only then we'll pass you. Okay, so then I obviously did not want to go to my parents because मेरी mom तो खुद ही बोल देती इसको भेजेंगे ही नहीं हम college, इसको college रहना तो खत्म घर पे बैठ. So then I was like, dude, I can't tell this to my mom because she's gonna bury me. So what I thought, like मेरा चतुर दिमाग, I thought I'll just ask a friend of mine. उसकी मम्मी को I'll ask if she can come as my mom, okay? Because she was not in my college. Auntie was like more excited to come to my college as my mom than me. Like, I mean, I wasn't excited, me to patti hui thi, but like auntie तो came dressed all in Punjabi suit and everything. And the thing is that she had a very thick accent which was nowhere close to a Punjabi accent. And when she was sitting in the principal's office, the principal actually figured something is not right. I'm not kidding, but I could sense that he understands something is off, but he can't really say it, okay? Because obviously तुम किसी की मम्मी के सामने बैठ के थोड़ी ये बोलोगे आप इसकी मम्मी ने मुझे अपना proof दो या फिर मुझे अपना PAN card दो, अपना नाम दिखाओ, all of that. So he can't really say anything, right? So he played along and he gave his signatures and he passed me on. I paid my fees, everything happened. So I was like, you know, I was given admission to the next year also. Everything happened. When the classes began in like another month, he came to my class specially, and then he's like, Satvinder guy. Okay, by the way, my real name is Satvinder, in case if you didn't know. Hi, Satvinder, I want to meet you in my office. I was like, okay, let's go. So I went there, and then he's like, I think you're playing games with me. Oh my god, dude, now that I realize, I played games too. So he's like, I don't think she was your mom. And I'm like, sir, how can you say that she's not my mom? you know, just because she has an accent, she's just lived there all her life, and you know, that's how she got an accent. She is my mom and everything. I gave him that justification, and I was so confident, dude. This is a like a 17-year-old kid, a 17-year-old girl standing in front of the principal with all of that confidence that I have no idea where it came from. And I'm telling him, dude, how can you question my mother? Now when I think about it, मैं सोच रही हूँ इतना confidence कहाँ से लाई थी मैं? Now when I think about it, dude, I had some balls to do things like this, because now अभी तो मेरी इतनी फटती है, like I can't do basic things also like without being scared of like the consequences. And उस time पे तो I'd be like, अरे आने दो, we'll see. Like I had that attitude, okay? Anyway, moral of the story, I almost got caught, but my confidence saved me, okay? So if there's anything that you want to learn out of this story, is that always be confident. People will not suspect anything wrong, okay? It's literally been like 5 minutes, in fact less than 5 minutes, and the mask is almost dried also. I can't believe how quickly this dried on my face. Like while I was just telling you guys about my story, it dried also. So quickly wanted to discuss this Mario Badescu skincare drying lotion. Now this one is actually quite famous. Like this is the bestseller product from Mario Badescu, because you only have to, like, you know, do a spot treatment on your acne, and this helps in drying out the acne on your skin. But right now I don't even have acne to test it out on myself, but it's their best-selling product, and you know, there have been so many amazing reviews about this product. So do give it a try if you are looking for some product that can help in drying out your acne. So meanwhile, I'm gonna move on to the Mario Badescu Witch Hazel and Rose Water Toner. I love all the packaging, you know, it's very different, it's very basic, but it's somehow still very nice, you know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take like 2 to 3 drops of this. Oh, that smells so good! Oh my god, you guys, it smells amazing! I'm gonna take a little bit more. Okay, nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way, okay? But it smells of roses. Most fun that I've been has to be during my MBA days, because that is when I was in hostel, okay? Or hostel mein to bro, complete freedom. So basically when I went to hostel, it was a different vibe altogether. So imagine a person who's not really lived by themselves. When you actually get all of that freedom, it is insane. Like you don't know what to do now. Like it's everything just comes together, you know? So पहले तो तुम पागल ही हो जाते, like, you know, let's just go party. So we used to like party. The first year we used to party every single night, and I had like so many groups. I was a student council, I was a member in student council, and then I was a class representative, and then I had like all other different groups. I had a marketing ka group, I had mera hostel ka group, I had non-hostelers ka group. I had like so many you know, groups, and then every group mein there used to be some of the other party happening every night, and I'd be like, मेरी life की stress उस time पे होती थी, अरे यार आज इसके साथ भी जाना पड़ेगा, oh my god, इतनी party करनी पड़ेगी. So that used to, like, I used to live that life, okay? I used to be like stressed out about all the parties that I had to attend. College में सबकी कड़की होती है, मेरे पास भी पैसे नहीं होते थे. We used to have limited money, pocket money, that we would actually spend in the first half of the month only, and after the second half of the month we would always be broke. Everybody would be broke, okay? So then we figured a trick, we figured a hack, okay? Kinnari, who is my friend who recently got married, she used to take us to all these places where we had ladies' night, okay? Where you get like on the house drinks for ladies. Like, so we would dress up, we'd get our free drinks and come back, you know, like, so that was a vibe. एंड आज की डेट में वो लड़की घर से निकलने को तैयार नहीं है. आज की डेट में उसकी शादी हो गई, वो घर से निकलने को तैयार नहीं है. ऐसे लोग चेंज होते हैं, ओके? लाइक शी वाज द वन हु टॉट अस ऑल ऑफ दिस, एंड नाउ शी इज लाइक, ब्रो घर पे पार्टी करते हैं ना. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट लिविंग इन अ हॉस्टल वाज दैट for me, because I used to live very close, like my hostel wasn't like, you know, out of town or anything. I used to literally be like an hour away from my house. So मैं हर हफ्ते कपड़े ले जाती थी मम्मी को, like, you know, घर पे धुलवाने के लिए and everything, and I'd just come back home. So it wasn't as difficult for me as it was for a lot of other kids who were living in the hostel, because, you know, उनको कपड़े वगैरह भी laundry वगैरह के लिए देने पड़ते होते थे, and they had to live that responsible kind of life. So even when I was living in hostel, मेरा life wasn't as like, you know, like, it wasn't as difficult, to be honest. Like, it was just chill. All I had to do was wake up, chill, party, go to class just for attendance, and come back, chill, sleep late, all of that. So I really maxed out on the party bit of it during my college days, and I mean, we partied so much that I feel like वो एक extreme phase आता है when you're like, when you go all out and then you want to just like sober down a little and you're like, bro, अब तो नहीं होगा, मतलब now I just want to be this responsible, mature human. I want to focus on work. I want to become responsible in life, because you can't do that anymore. Like, I can't believe I used to be that person who would literally sleep at like 6 o'clock in the morning, wake up at 8 o'clock, go to class, come back, again be ready for a party, and this used to be like an everyday thing. I mean, I don't know how my body pulled that off for like 2 years straight. Because now I can't even do that for a weekend. Like, my body just straight up says, no bro, nahi hoga mujhse. I remember this one time, I'll tell you a very random story, okay? Like, I have multiple stories. Jaise funny stories to mere paas bahut sare hain, but I'll just tell you this one very random story from my MBA days. So I'm very bad at math or finance or anything, okay? So there was this one class I remember, जो मैं अटेंड ही नहीं करती थी, बिकॉज दैट सब्जेक्ट तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था यहाँ से, लाइक इट यूज्ड टू गो बाउंसर ऑन मी, ओके? एंड this one time I attended that class essay, okay, and I didn't know there was a test. Okay, so it was a surprise test for me and people were prepared. I wasn't prepared and I took it very lightly. I was like, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, whatever, we'll give the test over. So after the test happened, जो मैंने बहुत ही randomly A B C D कुछ भी मैंने mark कर दिया, and you know, like I wrote whatever answer that came to my head. So the professor asked us to shuffle our papers and correct each other's papers. All of that commotion of passing the papers around, my paper went to the professor. So professor was checking my paper in front of the entire class, which was, I think, of 150 students, okay? First, so he read the name Satvinder, and then he's like, who's Satvinder? I've never seen a Satvinder in the class. I'm like, dude, here, hi, I'm Satvinder. Nice to meet you. And then he started checking my answers. Bro, every answer was wrong. And वो हर answer को जोर-जोर से पढ़ के बता रहा है, ये भी गलत, Satvinder, good job. I can never forget the shade and the sarcasm that he threw around on me in the class that day. It was amazing. I mean, I'm not the kind of person who gets embarrassed easily, but it was fun. Just saying, like, the entire class knew कि इसको नहीं आता है. I mean, I'm that chill person. मतलब, I own it. Okay, like मुझे नहीं आता है तो नहीं आता है. If I'm not in the class, people know she's never going to be in the class or whatever. So it was understood, and so people were also like chilling, laughing. I was laughing at myself. Wow, Simmi, क्या किया तूने? But that was this hilarious moment where I'm like, bro, out of 50, I got 2. And that professor, problem ये थी, after that वो professor को मेरी शक्ल याद हो गई, and he would make sure that I come and sit in every class after that, and he made sure कि मैं उसके कुछ एग्जाम्स और उसको टेस्ट लिख के दूँ, एंड यू नो आई कंप्लीट माई बुक्स एवरीथिंग ऑन टाइम, एंड आई गिव हिम माई असाइनमेंट्स ऑन टाइम. सो दैट वाज द ओनली बैड आउटकम आउट ऑफ दिस, बट अदरवाइज इट वाज अ हिलेरियस सिचुएशन इन द क्लास. Anyway, with that, let's get back to our skincare routine. Also, I'm gonna finish it off using the Phytofuse moisturizer. This is a multi-vitamin moisturizer. I love the packaging. Honestly, if you guys haven't tried out Earth Rhythm products, trust me, they've come up with a completely new packaging. It's all revamped, and the brand actually is, you know, it's very ingredient centric, and they're actually very nice. Like the technology and everything, all of the ingredients, the products that they create, they're actually very good. In case if you're aware of the kind of products that work well on your skin, in case if you're not aware of that also, I think the brand team actually had contacted me once long back to tell me that they have come up with a technology where you can just scan your face on their website, and you know, they'll just figure out the concerns that you have on your skin, and accordingly they will tell you what products you should go for. So in case if अगर पता नहीं है तुम्हें कि कौन से टाइप के products मुझे चाहिए, you know, the ingredients you're not aware of, how to layer products and all of that, so you'll get all of that information on their website also, which is a very good thing. And I don't think when it comes to skincare, any of the brand in India has yet done anything like that so far. And again, as I said, nothing is sponsored. I'm just giving it, you know, putting it out there because I personally really like Earth Rhythm products, and I've been supporting them ever since they sent me the first PR. I'm just gonna take a lot of moisturizer today. I feel like my skin is like really remember this one time we had some event in college where we could put up food stalls, okay, or whatever stalls. Like you just have to pay basic rent of 5,000 per day for 2 days, and you can run your stall and you can sell whatever you want to, okay, in that stall. And I remember me and my friend Priyanka, who's also my MBA friend, she just got married in January. So we put up a food stall where we made like pizzas and burgers and all of that. Like we sold off everything and we made like a profit of 20,000. We divided it between like 3 or 4 of us and we spent all of it. No regrets. Absolutely no regrets. Anyway, okay, so as my last step, I'm going to be using the Earth Rhythm ka lip mask. Love this tube. This is actually an overnight intensive treatment. This is what I had on me before I started the video. This lip mask is so glossy. You can actually use this as a topper over your lipstick also. It's literally like a very hydrating gloss. Can you see that? Yeah, this is it, you guys. I think we'll end the video right here. I'm done with my skincare routine. And I've shared a few college stories. Trust me, I have a lot more college stories, but I could easily make like a part 2 of my college stories. Let me know if you enjoyed this one so I can make a part 2 of it. And that is it. All of the products I've used are in the description box below. I genuinely loved the products. Also, I'm going to be doing like my mini reviews on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And happy Sunday, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.